Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening FC25 and loading the club or career save you want. This places you where player lock can be applied. Once done, make sure your controller is recognized and inputs respond. Calibration avoids missed toggles. Next, enable advanced controls if you plan manual timing, because the lock behaves differently with assisted settings. This step changes responsiveness. Now, move to the squad screen and pick the player you now select the player from the squad or while in a match. Choosing a midfielder versus striker matters for positioning. Then press the player lock control. Use the button or button combo mapped in controls, because this physically switches game input to that single player. Once engaged, check camera mode and player view so movement and passing lines make sense. If they don't, toggle between camera presets. This sequence locks your input cleanly to the chosen player. To finish, practice sprinting, passing, and defending with the locked player to confirm control. This verifies animations and AI behavior align. If the lock drops or switches, reapply immediately and check controller mapping and any recent game updates, because patches can change default inputs. If problems persist, save, quit, and restart the session. Often a fresh load restores expected behavior. Remember, keep a backup save before testing settings, since repeated restarts avoid lost progress when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.